Okay, guys, so I just decluttered the top 3 drawers of this dresser, and now I'm going to be doing my hair drawer, which is the one that made me want to declutter this, because look how messy it is. And I apologize because you're going to see my wheelchair and probably my feet, and I hope that doesn't weird anybody out. But yeah, I've wanted to declutter this for so long, so let's go ahead and get into decluttering this. Okay, so this is a drawer overall. I know that there's going to be a lot of things that I'm going to be getting rid of in here, so let's get started. This is a product that I use every single day. It is a heat protector. I'm keeping this. It's almost empty, but I am going to go ahead and keep this. This is a dry shampoo that I've been using. It's not my favorite, but I have been using it because my sister gave it to me. So I'm going to keep this one because I need dry shampoo. This is a dry shampoo that I have, but I don't really like it. I love the way that it smells, but it does leave a white cast. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this one. This is a new product that I got. It's by Sexy Hair. It's the Strong Sexy Hair line. It's called Seal the Deal. And this is something that will help repair my damaged hair. So I'm going to be keeping this as well. Some brushes with hair in it because this is real life. This is a blowout protection. It's a heat protectant. I wasn't even framed. This is a heat protectant. It's for when I have extensions in, but I love the way that it smells. I currently have extensions in, so I am going to keep this one. And this is also a similar product by Sexy Hair as well. It's a 450 blowout. These are both heat protectants that you put on before you spray or blow dry your hair. So I'm keeping both of those. This is hands down my favorite dry shampoo. It's the volumizing dry shampoo by Sexy Hair. It's their big Sexy Hair line. One of my hands down favorite dry shampoos. If you ever try a dry shampoo, try this one for sure. This is a hairspray. I don't really use hairspray a lot, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this. These are 2 items from the same line, the Hot Sexy Hair. This one's a Prep Me. You put this on before you blow dry, and this one is also a heat protectant, so I'm going to keep that. Sorry, these are kind of out of frame. It's so down low. But I'm going to keep both of these items for you. Oh, there it is upside down. So this is a Healthy Sexy Hair item. I don't really wear this very often. It's a beach spray. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this because I'm not using it frequently. This is a product that I use very often. It's by Chi. It is a leave-in treatment, and I really like this to put on when my hair is damp and I just got out of the shower. This is a dry conditioner, and it works the same as a dry shampoo. If you can't wash your hair, this will help kind of give some conditioning back into it, and I like using this, so I'm going to go ahead and keep this. I'm not getting rid of as much as I thought I would. Here are 2 little sample sizes of Sexy Hair products. One is the Smooth and Seal and one is Big Altitude. I don't really use these very frequently, so I'm going to get rid of those. Here are 2 hairsprays. Sorry if you guys can't see those very well. I'm going to keep the Indie Hair one and get rid of the Chi Iron Guard. This is another flat iron spray. I'm going to get rid of this because it's empty. There's not very much product in it, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this. This is Big Altitude by Big Sexy Hair, and I'm going to be honest with you, I've never used this, so I'm going to pass it along to someone who may use it. This is a heat protectant that my sister's having me try. It's by Heat Defender. I don't like the dry shampoo by this brand, and I haven't gotten rid of my other Heat Defender, so I'm going to wait to use this. So I'm going to go ahead and keep this so that I can try it out. This is Color Conserve by Aveda. This is empty as well, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. Here's a random lid. This is another dry shampoo. This is by Chi, the same person that does the dry conditioner. You can never have too much dry shampoo, so I'm going to keep this. And the last hair item in here is something that is empty as well. This is the Luxe Detangler by Long Sexy Hair. This is for when you have extensions, and I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this because it's empty. So what you're seeing now is my hair like bows and stuff like that, and unfortunately I don't wear a lot of these anymore, so I'm more than likely going to get rid of those. These are both beanies. I wear those frequently. I really like this. It's a head wrap. I like that, so I'm going to keep that. And then I'm probably going to get rid of all of these bows because I don't wear bows anymore. And then that, my friends, is that drawer decluttered, and I'm going to clean it out now and get it organized, and I will show you the final product. So there's no good way for me to organize this with what I have right now. So this is what it currently looks like. I did clean it out. There's still plenty of hair in it because unfortunately hair gets everywhere, but this is what the drawer looks like afterwards, and I will show you guys what I decluttered. So this is everything that I decluttered from that drawer. I'm mostly going to donate the hair products and the bows. I'm assuming I probably won't try to sell either, so I'm going to try to donate everything. Please ignore how messy my background is, but yeah, so this is everything that I decluttered. I think that I did pretty good based on how the drawer looks now. If you guys like declutter videos, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! Oh, my hand's so dirty from cleaning.